Hi, this is Gakui. It's really catty. Excuse me, where? Can we pause?
It's really tough. Not doing it.
Geekball. Recently released pie battle game where you match pies decimals quickly. But do we need to memorize them? Today I'm trying darts. I'll calculate pi with darts. Do you play pie battle? Who plays those now? I'll explain it. Assume the circle's radius is r. The area of the circle is pi r squared. Now, a square with width and height of 2r has an area of 4r squared. What if we divide the circle's area by the square's area? Pi over 4. Dividing the circle's area by the squares and multiplying by 4. That becomes the value of pi. If we know the areas of the circle and the square, we can also determine pi. But how do we measure their areas? Square and circle, let's overlay them. Now imagine placing a lot of dots on this square. There are countless dots. If placed randomly, the number of dots inside the square and inside the circle will be proportional to their areas. In the end, if you can draw the square and circle and place many dots randomly, you can find pi. Let's make a game from this. I've prepared a dartboard and some darts. By throwing countless darts and counting how many hit inside the square and the circle, we can find the value of pi. To find a more precise pi value, let's spread out the square and circle. I've drawn them more spread out. When you throw darts, you can see that the darts enter the square with a much more random probability. Then, with this dartboard, I'll have a bet with Jungtae to see who can find a more accurate value of pi. Follow me to the rooftop.
What's the concept? Do it right.
To the roof.
Okay, got it.
Hey, surrender.
I'll follow. What's this? So nice.
I made a math game to beat Jungtae.
I'm confused.
Step inside.
Wow, Cyclade's memories.
There's a dartboard here, right?
Yes.
We're using darts to calculate pi. These papers are targets. Choose one. The shapes differ. This has squares and circles centered.
I see.
This one is scattered.
Yes.
This one's randomly scattered. We'll each throw 100 darts.
100 darts.
Yes. Count the hits to calculate pi. Closest to actual pi wins.
This feels ominous.
Throw evenly.
Higher chance of winning. Okay. Got it.
You choose.
I'll pick this. This the middle one.
Yes, that's fine.
What was that look just now?
I'll choose randomly.
Was considering random. Good.
Jungtae, you first.
I'll watch you first, Gakui.
I'll go first.
Gakui first.
Show us Gaku's.
Right.
Let's get pi. Oh.
Throwing randomly. Got why you chose.
Random's got best shot.
Might be right.
All done.
Okay, I'm curious.
Wow, this is nice.
Okay, got it.
I got the hang of it after seeing what Gaku did.
Let's proceed. I'm up. Let's go. Stance parallel. Go.
Oh! Explain your intention.
I'm intentionally throwing randomly. Dart is fun.
It's chilling.
Pierces my heart.
I can throw. I'm excited.
Checking the target.
I'll take it.
Thrown evenly.
Not bad, right?
Counting.
Okay.
2, 3.
58 do. 66 times 4. Approximately 3.5, 15, 15.
Not far. Close.
Similar? Unsure?
Gokwe's value is 3.5 and 5 and 15. I'll count mine. 1, 2, 3, 4,
That many inside.
5.
6, 7.
Important what number comes from times 4.
I'll calculate. Let me.
Really? Justice wins.
I'm Justice.
Who says they're justice?
Justice should say, I'm justice. Not lie, right?
I believe the world is going right. Calculated.
Yes.
Why laugh? I'm feeling uneasy.
Is this for real?
Starting pie battle.
Didn't I?
The person who can randomly hit the darts as I intend. I can make it appear random even if I don't throw it randomly.
No. I'm really good at darts. I'm the one who sticks a dart on a dart and then another on top.
How possible?
For it to seem random.
Another game.
The game is well made.
Fun. Pie battle.
That game.
It's much more mathematical and enjoyable, incomparable to pseudoscience games.
And try to analyze it. That game reflects rote learning's downside. 314 and F9. Who made this?
Why memorize tables?
We have them.
Oh, the fan?
Prideful about pi?
I'll call.
Follow me.
Yes. Hello. Pi fan.
Doesn't everyone know pi?
What are you saying?
Come up to the rooftop.
To the rooftop.
Follow me. What's this? What's going on? Who's the boss here? What is that? Who's the boss here?
Please have a seat.
Put it here.
Rooftop call scary.
Please sit down.
Crazy concept.
I thought you meant it. Jungtae hits me.
We have one of the Pi Battle creators. I'm Chanu, Pi Game Planner.
Memorize pi?
3.45026535. Continue.
There's so many things to memorize. Why pi?
Why the common? Pi is quite mysterious.
Pi's great. Let's create a game to show it's fun and mysterious. Not just for memorizing. How about that?
Sounds great.
So I made it. What's better about Pi Battle?
Pi Battle is an app. You can play it without going to the rooftop.
Anywhere.
Anywhere. Explain the game's features.
Memorizing pi and showing smarts.
Amazing
Wow.
to showcase intelligence. Can you download it on Play Store?
Yes, it's on Play Store and App Store as Pi Battle.
Please play Pi Battle. Finding Pi is closed, it left only scars. Chanu, what's your Pi Battle score?
Check my Instagram, it updates often.
Confident, huh?
But others are better. Many around me memorize pi.
Let's combine scores to beat Chanu.
Good.
Okay, let's go practice Pi Battle.
Let's go. All right, let's go.